Hey everybody, this is Mike Traylor from Drone Sense, and today we're going to learn how to make a magic video link. So the first thing you need to do is be in Operations Hub. So I have Operations Hub up here, and I also have my Mission Manager up. So from here, I'm going to select the mission that I want to create the magic video link on, and that's going to be our mutual aid responses right here. So once I've got the mission, then I'm going to go ahead and click on it, and that's going to bring us to this menu. Now the next icon we want to click on in this menu is this link icon right here. That's going to bring up my magic video link menu and allow me to create that link. From here you can see that I don't have a magic video link created, so I'm going to go ahead and create a link by clicking on this button right here. Now I need to give it a name. So this is going to be mutual aid. I need to give it an expiration date because anything that we create in Drone Sense is going to have a 24-hour expiration date. So we need to make sure we bump this out to what it's going to be appropriate for us. Magic video links, we don't recommend having an extremely long duration. But for this one, I'm going to bump it out for like 1 year to 2025. Once I'm happy with that and I've got everything in here that I need, I'm going to hit add. And that's going to allow me to come and have this link go out and live on the notifications. I can also provide a QR code and copy it into in an email or any other web browser, give it out to folks. If I need to come back and edit it, I can do so here or remove it. And then if I need to create another video link, I would follow the same process.